I've heard the tempest howl along the plain, and screaming winds pour forth a dreadful blast, while fleeks of snow and sheets of driving rain presented nature as a dreary waste. Howl now, ye tempests, blow ye winds around. Your gloomy sounds are music to my ear, such as I never yet in zephyrs found, though fanned by purple wings of vernal air. The gloomy sound, according with my woe, spreads a soft melancholy o'er my mind, that soothes my pangs and gives the tender flow of lenient drops to sorrow ever kind. Ah, what avails my sorrow's sad complaint, while in the grave my Lucius breathless lies? The turf enshrines the dust, the skies the saint, but left behind the hapless mourner dies. Each day I find the anguish more severe, in croods, in solitude, at home, abroad, bereft of all my inmost soul held dear. I find her sinking fast beneath the load. No change of circumstance, no varying sea, can draw the deep envenomed barred dart, though care maternal prompts the look serene. The anxious sigh still wrings the mother's heart. Oh, on this day may each revolving year be marked by nature's sympathetic groan, nor sighing gales deny the pitying tear, while at his tomb I make my silent moan. The weeping winds report my tender grief, and see a group celestial hastening down to share my woe and bring my pain relief, by holding up a bright immortal crown. Religion first with heaven's resplendent beam presents a glass to meet my tearful eye. Behold, behind this life's impervious screen, my favorite sun, and wipe your sorrows dry. Then friendship, science, liberty, and truth write on his tomb in character sublime, approve the efforts of his age and youth, to hand their influence down to future time. The graces too by eloquence led on, with cypress garlands strew his hallowed grave, for they had fondly marked him as their own, but vain their power and influence to save. In times when civil discord holds her court, and vice triumphant keeps his ancient post, when most is needed such a firm support, they mourn with me their friend and patron lost.